Hi there, welcome back to class. If you're new to this channel, I would encourage you to subscribe. Also click on the notification button so you'll be among the first persons to know when I post a new video. Thank you. Now in this video, we'll be creating our forms, the registration form, the login form, and the forgot password form. Now, as you can see, when we install Laravel, we have this. So what we are going to do, we are going to create a new form. So I'll go back to my code. Then I'll click on resources, views. So this view you're seeing, let me go back. Laravel, docs, Laravel, news, and the rest of them. This is where everything is. You go to resources, you go to views, then click on welcome.blade.php. So this view you are seeing is welcome.blade.php. Now let's confirm this. Let me change the Laravel to something else. There's Laravel somewhere. Let's change it to my Laravel app. I'll save this. I'll go to my browser and refresh. As you can see, that's where it's being done. So what I'm going to do now, I want to create register form, login, and forgot password form. Now my register form we have, as I said in our previous video, name, email, and password. They're only collecting these three things from the user. Now what I'm going to do now is I will copy this view to create the new one. Command A, copy. Then I will right click on my views, these views here. Then new file. Then say register dot blade dot php. Register dot blade dot php. So I'll quickly paste this. Now we have the same thing here, right? So what I will do is I will change this to register. So because this page is for register, I'll change the title to register. Now I'm going to delete everything we have here except for this. I'll change this to register. Let's go back to our browser. I want to show you something. Sorry. Localhost 8000. Now what I want to do is I want the registration page to be the first page you see when you visit our website. So we go to our route web.php. You can see the view here. So the route allows you to actually navigate from one page to the other. So when I click on login button, it will take me to login view or login page. When I click on register button, the website should take me to register page. So this is the function of our route. Our route allows us to move from one page of our website or the. Now you can see this is loading welcome view by default, but I want it to load register. It means, don't forget, this slash means the home page. I want the first page that will be seen by the user when they open our website to be register, which is the registration page. So that's why I put register here. This view now is loading this register view.php, view register.blade.php. Now let's go back to our website and refresh. As you can see, it's loading the registration page that we just created. As you can see, we have register here. Now, because we don't actually need docs, Laravel, news, blog, and the rest of them. So what we are going to do is we are going to remove that. Let's delete this. Save. Go back to our browser and see what happens. We have register. Now the next thing we are going to do is to add our forms. Now we are going to be using Bootstrap for this. So what we need to do is to add Bootstrap to our Laravel project. How do we add Bootstrap to our Laravel project? So we can use Bootstrap. It's very easy. So I'll just go and get my Bootstrap CDN. So Bootstrap CDN. So I will get the link. So I'll go and get the CDN. So what I will do, I will just copy this. This is Bootstrap CDN. So let me copy this and go to my code. Okay, so because we want to use Bootstrap for our project, we just go to the header section of this our page. This is the head. So any CSS you are doing, you add it to the head. That's why Laravel added this. Of course, we are going to remove the ones that we are not using. So I'll come to this place and I will add this. Now, because I've added this, this will allow me to add Bootstrap to my project. I'll click on save. Now let's add our views, our forms. So we'll be using Bootstrap forms. Bootstrap forms. Okay, so these are a Bootstrap form looks like. So our registration page should have email, register, email, name, and password. So we have this already. We can just copy this from Bootstrap to create our form. Then go back to our code. Then I want you to be directly under this register. So I can, let me arrange it so it looks fine. So email, password, then we don't actually need this check me out. So I'll remove this. Then what I will do, let me copy this first one and create the name input field. So change this to name. You can leave. Okay, we're going to remove this. Sorry, we don't need this for the name part. Then this is the ID field in case you want to use JavaScript to submit your form, but we are not using JavaScript. We're using Laravel to submit our form. But let's just have it there. Then what I will do is, now this should be text. The input type for our name should be text. I'll click save. I'll save this. Then let me go back to my view. So as you can see, we have our form already. Enter. Okay, this we need to change this place so that this should be enter name. Let's see this. What's this? Enter email is fine. Password is fine. So I'll go back to my code. Change this to enter name instead of enter email. Okay, this is fine. This is actually too big. Let's reduce the size of this text. Register. This is where we have register. So we don't actually need this. We don't need this part. So we need to yank this off. So register. This is the register. Let's change this to if you are familiar with Bootstrap, or if you don't, or you can just change it to maybe H3, close H3. Then let's remove this class and see what happens. Okay, this is good, but not good enough. Let's make it H1. Okay, I think it's fine like this. So as you can see, we have successfully created our register page or register view. or if you like registration form. So in the next video, we are going to create our login page and forgot password page. Please, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I would encourage you to do that now. Please subscribe. Also, like this video, click on the bell icon so you'll be among the first persons to know when I post a new video. Thank you.